15 animals that build secret hideouts beyond human imagination. 1. The enchanted door spider, a hidden secret door in the ground. It builds an underground burrow and creates a door of earth and silk that blends perfectly with its surroundings. When prey approaches, it bursts out like lightning. 2. The weaver bird, social nesting bird, the giant, complex communal nest. These birds build a very large colony in trees, resembling a huge pile of straw, shared by hundreds of birds. It serves as a communal fortress, providing warmth and security for everyone. 3. The mimicry octopus. Disguising itself as other creatures to avoid danger, it doesn't have a fixed hideout. Instead, it uses its body as a mobile hideout or instant camouflage, changing its shape, color, and texture to become a venomous sea snake, a flatfish, or even a jellyfish. 4. The beaver, the water hut with the secret entrance. It builds massive dams to raise the water level, then constructs its hut in the middle of the pool. The entrance to the hut is always underwater, making it an extremely secure hiding place from wild predators. 5. The stonefish, complete fusion. Like a poisonous rock, it blends seamlessly into the coral reef or seabed, covered in algae and debris. It doesn't hide, it becomes the hiding place itself, transforming into an invisible trap that releases deadly venom. 6. The mud frog, the waxy mud cocoon. During severe droughts, it burrows deep and secretes a waxy substance around its body, forming a tightly sealed mud shell or cocoon that traps and protects it from drying out until the rains return. 7. The gunpowder shrimp, the burrow-sharing partner with the blind guardian. It digs an elaborate burrow in the seabed, but forms a partnership with blind fish, gobies. The shrimp burrows, and the fish acts as a guard, touching its antennae to warn it of danger, so the two can hide together. 8. Tailor ants, nests stitched from living leaves. Instead of building a nest from mud or sand, they work together to pull the edges of living leaves together. They use their silk-secreting larvae as an adhesive sewing material, creating a perpetually growing green shelter. 9. Antlion larva, slippery sand funnel trap. It digs a perfect cone-shaped hole in dry sand. It buries itself at the bottom of this funnel, and when an ant or insect slips inside, the prey cannot climb out due to the shifting sand. 10. Boxback turtle, self-locking carapace. Not content with just its carapace, it has a hinge at the bottom of its shell that allows it to retract its limbs and close the shell tightly, creating a sealed wooden box that predators cannot open. 11. The smiling shark, camouflaged on the seabed. Its flat shape and skin adorned with algae-like appendages make it resemble a sea carpet or decorative rug. It lies motionless on the seabed, patiently waiting to prey on any fish that swims nearby. 12. Carpenter bees, hidden wood tunnels. They don't live in honeycombs, but rather excavate perfectly circular tunnels in dead wood or building structures. These tunnels serve as individual hiding places to protect eggs and store food. 13. Burrow owls, taking over and modifying mammalian burrows. They don't dig themselves, but specialize in taking over burrows dug by other animals, such as prairie dogs or ground squirrels, and transforming them into safe havens for themselves and their young. 14. Parrotfish, mucus cocoon for sleep and camouflage. When it's time to sleep, this fish secretes a thick mucus that completely covers its body. Scientists believe this shell acts as a protective covering, concealing its scent and shielding it from nocturnal predators. 15. The pig-snouted turtle, the muddy diving hole. When threatened, doesn't flee to the shore. Instead, it hides in the muddy riverbed, burying itself completely in the mud, leaving only its tiny snout above the surface to breathe.